And just like that, winter break is over for students, teachers, and staff in the area's largest school district, Austin ISD. It is reopening schools today. And several other districts also heading back. Good day and good luck on your first day back to school, everyone. I'm Sally Hernandez. AISD is offering COVID-19 testing, by the way, at 11 testing sites to stop the spread of the virus as school starts. And Nabil Remadna is live at one of those testing sites with what the school district is doing, Nabil, to keep kids healthy as the surge continues.
Good morning. Yeah, McCallum High School, one of the 11 testing sites included on AISD's list, but Omicron variant, well, that continues to spread across Central Texas. We've seen more cases, and doctors say this variant is very contagious. That's why some parents are worried about the return to school. They're hoping to see some changes, though, here in AISD.
As COVID-19 cases surge,
starting out school virtually right now is the best decision.
Some parents, like Nancy Thompson, are voicing their concerns about a return to the classroom.
Let's get a handle of this. Let's get it under control. Let's see what the situation is.
Monty Paul, another concerned parent.
I'm concerned about community spread. I'm concerned about teachers. I'm concerned about, this whole idea around indoor lunch.
Austin ISD resumed testing at their 11 COVID-19 testing hubs 2 days before school started. Day one.
And about a third of the community that's been tested is positive.
And that's so concerning to me because that means that we are sending our kids back when likely many of the students and the teachers will have this virus.
Marietta Hummel, along with about 50 parents, sent their concerns to the district. They're asking for a delayed start, outdoor lunches if not already offered, and a virtual option for students.
We are likely going to keep our son home at this point just to see what's going to happen.
The district has added extra ventilation to classrooms. They're cleaning and sanitizing high-touch areas, and social distancing is still required. They also have a mask mandate in place with a recommendation of wearing 2 masks.
So, you can see I'm wearing an N95 with a covering over it. Double masking is the best option.
But will these safeguards be enough as Omicron spreads through the community?
If there are some parents, some teachers who are okay with the measures that are in place, then we don't want to tell them what to think or do. But for our families, we do want to have that option.
Now, AISD tells us that they tested more than 2,600 students, staff, and family members the 2 days before school started. Out of those, there were about 380 positive test results. Again, as mentioned, there are 11 testing hubs set up around AISD that will continue on through the year. But again, the first day of school here, those parents hoping to see some changes before it's too late. Back to you.
I bet. Okay, Nabil, thank you. 5:03 is the time right now, and let's look in depth here because the school district is asking students to wear 2 layers of the well-fitting masks while you're in class. Those include the classrooms and really all over campus. Doctors say double masking does more to protect you and others from COVID. The American Medical Association says adding more layers of material to a mask or wearing 2 reduces the number of respiratory droplets containing the virus that come through the mask. And if both people are double masking, then the risk of inhaling potentially infectious aerosols decreased by 95% compared to no mask. The school district says it will also try and provide supplies to children so they can double mask.
I don't want to overpromise that we have enough for everyone and then fall short. So we're going to do our very best to ensure that those who need it the most have access to it.
Austin ISD is also hosting booster shot clinics this weekend. You do not need an appointment, just walk right up. And while the focus is, of course, on the students in the district, AISD's website says staff and family members are also welcome to get vaccinated.